Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mostly beauty videos, a little bit of fragrance, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today is going to be a full review of a very viral fragrance that just launched only a few days ago, and it's Kayali's new wedding fragrance called Silk Santal 36. Now this just launched last week along with a second fragrance. So the fragrance came out in a wedding set. One of them's like a black fragrance that's supposed to be for men, and then the Silk Santal one, which is this one, is for women. Now the new fragrance is categorized as a warm floral, so let me quickly read you the notes of this fragrance. So the key notes is sparkling champagne, white freesia, pink praline, lush nectarine, sandalwood, and sugared musk. So let me refresh myself on the opening. So initially it is a very bright and elegant fragrance. It's very uplifting. You smell something sort of citrusy, which is definitely the nectarine. But the cool thing about this fragrance, to me, when you first spray it, you can smell all the notes that I just read. It's very interesting. The way they blended this fragrance is so beautiful. I smell the sugared musk. I can smell the praline. On the initial opening, I definitely smell the sparkling champagne. When I put the fragrance up to my nose straight out of the bottle, you definitely get that sparkling champagne. It's kind of bubbly smelling in a sense. Interesting in a fragrance, but it works. Very beautiful, and I think it's perfect for a wedding. As it starts to dry down, it starts to become a little bit creamy. This fragrance is a sweet fragrance, but it's not too sweet. It's not like an overpowering sweet fragrance, but it is sweet. Sweet enough to be like a dessert, but not super overly gourmand either. It's like a perfect mix. Y'all, this is so perfect for a wedding. You know what this fragrance puts me in the mind of? If you've ever smelled Mon Guerlain from Guerlain, it's that sort of vibe and mood. It doesn't smell like Mon Guerlain, but that's what it gives. When I spray it on my skin and it dries all the way down, it gives that sort of beautiful, lovely vibe. On the dry down, I feel like the nectarine is not as prominent though. Warm praline, y'all, it's very good. For me, the musk comes in a little bit later. I smell it like as it starts to dry down, but I feel like the musk starts to get a little bit stronger and more prominent as it sort of wears down. About hour like 3 or 4, I started to get more musk than anything, but it's not like a super strong musk or anything like that. This is a soft musk. The fragrance altogether gives like soft vibes, not like super ethereal soft like Dama Bianca, but it gives that soft feminine like Mon Guerlain. This is most definitely, no questions asked, a feminine fragrance for sure. Although fragrances can be worn, a woman or man can wear any fragrance they want to. This is definitely something that leans super feminine in my opinion. It's very soft and elegant. This is something that I would wear every day. That's just how pretty it is. I was super impressed. These are the type of fragrances that I gravitate towards. This is like my favorite scent profile ever. The difference between this and like a Mon Guerlain, I feel like this has more of the sandalwood comes in with this fragrance, which makes it a little bit more grounded, warmer, slightly earthy. Just a little bit because of that sandalwood, but the sandalwood is like a sweet, creamy, intoxicating sandalwood. This fragrance does leave a scent trail. You're going to want to follow the person that has this on. It's just that pretty. This fragrance was created for the creator Mona for her wedding, and it gives something pretty like that. But I would say just the everyday lady that wears this fragrance is just a really pretty, elegant, soft, very feminine lady. This is something you could wear every day as a signature scent. You could wear this fragrance with a pretty sundress, maxi dress. You could also wear it with jeans and a t-shirt, because to me, this is something that I would wear every day. Very pretty girl, very soft girl vibes. Most definitely, this fragrance is a year-round perfume. You could wear it in the colder months. I feel like it will work because it's just sort of warm. It's floral from the freesia, and you smell that sort of sweet, soft florals. So it will work in the hot summer months, and then like the brightness of that sort of citrus of the nectarine. But that warm sandalwood and that sugary musk is giving cozy wintertime as well. So it could work either way. You could also wear it day or night, in my opinion. In my opinion, it's non-offensive, so it'll be perfect for the office, for church, you know, the mall, dinner, breakfast, lunch, anywhere in between. This is a moderate projecting fragrance. When I put it on, you could probably smell it a little bit more than an arm's length away for about the first 2 to 3 hours. At the 3-hour mark, it started to wear a little bit closer to the skin, and a lot of the musk started to come through. A very soft, pretty musk though. And then probably about hour 5, it was so close to the skin that you had to get all the way up on like your arm or wherever you sprayed it on your skin to sort of smell it. So for me, I would layer this fragrance with like a vanilla scented body cream or something like that to sort of boost up that pretty vanilla. Now, the notes doesn't say that there's vanilla in this fragrance, but I do smell vanilla. That could be the praline though. The Fenty Vanilla Dream body cream will work perfect, or anything like just soft, sweet vanilla, nothing doing too much. I think that would be nice to layer with this fragrance. It's so pretty. Oh my God. This is definitely a fragrance that I feel like everybody could love. It's going to be a mass appealing fragrance that I don't see how somebody could not like it. That's just how likable and everyday wearable it is. Overall, this is very beautiful, elegant, something you could absolutely wear on a wedding or wear every day as your signature scent. Just very pretty girl vibes. Definitely something that's full bottle worthy for me. I would buy the full bottle. This one's the 10 ml that will run you $27, and the biggest that they have is a 50 ml that's $100. I purchased mine on Sephora.com, but it's no longer on the website. They do have the men's version on the website, but not this one. But this one is still available on hudabeauty.com. So yeah, if you've tried Kayali's Silk Santal 36 yet, comment down below and let me know what you think about it. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. Got to step to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scar.